Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Let's continue with part 2 of our Alaskan honeybuckle cake guide, where we finish off this delicious dessert and bring it all together. Follow these steps to create your cake batter. Cream, butter and sugar. In a large mixing bowl, beat the softened butter and granulated sugar together until light and fluffy. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes with an electric mixer. Next, add the honey and mix until well combined. The mixture should become pale in color and airy. Add eggs and vanilla. Beat in the eggs one at a time. Make sure each egg is fully incorporated before adding the next. Stir in the vanilla extract. Scrape down the sides of the bowl as needed to ensure everything mixes evenly. Combine dry ingredients. In a separate medium bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, and salt. This premix helps distribute the leavening agents evenly. Alternate wet and dry. Add the dry ingredients to the butter mixture in 3 additions, alternating with the milk in 2 additions. Begin and end with the dry ingredients. For example, add 1/3 of the flour mixture, mix briefly, then half of the milk, mix, another 1/3 of the flour, the remaining milk, and finally the last 1/3 of the flour. Do not overmix. Mix only until just combined. Overmixing develops the gluten in the flour. This can lead to a tough, dry cake. A few small lumps are perfectly fine. Once your batter is ready, spread it evenly into your prepared 9 by 13-inch baking pan. A greased and floured pan or one lined with parchment paper prevents sticking. Layering berries and the honeybuckle streusel. This is where the Alaskan honeybuckle cake gets its distinctive character. The magic happens when the berries meet the rich streusel. Here is how to assemble your cake. Prepare the berries. In a medium bowl, gently toss your chosen berries with the sugar and flour. The flour helps the berries release less liquid during baking. This prevents a soggy cake. Stir carefully to avoid crushing the fruit. Spread berries. Evenly spread the berry mixture over the cake batter in the pan. Distributing them well ensures a burst of fruit in every bite. Make the streusel. In another bowl, combine the cold butter pieces, brown sugar, flour, rolled oats, if using, and cinnamon, if using. Use a pastry blender, 2 forks, or your fingertips to cut the butter into the dry ingredients. You want a crumbly mixture with pieces of butter roughly the size of small peas. These butter pieces are key to the streusel's texture and how it bucks. Sprinkle generously. Liberally sprinkle the streusel topping over the berry layer. Make sure the entire surface is covered. The streusel should form a thick, even layer. This generous covering helps create that signature buckle effect as the cake bakes. As the cake rises and the streusel melts and sets, it will create those charming dips and ridges that give the cake its name. Serving suggestions and variations for your honeybuckle cake. Once your Alaskan honeybuckle cake is baked to perfection and cools slightly, it's time to think about how to best enjoy it. This cake is wonderfully versatile. It shines on its own but also pairs beautifully with various accompaniments. We also can customize it to suit different tastes or dietary needs. It's truly a dessert that keeps giving. The best companions, cream, ice cream, and more. A warm slice of honeybuckle cake is a delight in itself. The juicy berries, tender cake, and crumbly streusel create a satisfying texture and flavor experience. However, adding a little something extra can elevate it from delicious to absolutely divine. Consider these classic pairings to enhance your cake. A scoop of vanilla bean ice cream. The cool creaminess of vanilla bean ice cream melts slightly into the warm cake. This creates a wonderful contrast in temperatures and textures. The subtle vanilla notes also complement the berries beautifully. A dollop of fresh whipped cream. Light, airy, and unsweetened, or lightly sweetened, whipped cream adds a cloud-like topping. The richness balances the cake's sweetness. It also provides a soft, smooth counterpoint to the streusel's crunch. A dusting of powdered sugar. For a simpler touch, a light dusting of powdered sugar adds a delicate sweetness and a polished presentation. It highlights the cake's rustic charm without overpowering it. Fruit coulis or syrup. A vibrant berry coulis, a thin fruit sauce, or a drizzle of maple syrup can add another layer of flavor and moisture. This works especially well if your berries are a bit tart. Serving the cake warm brings out its best qualities, making the berries extra juicy and the cake wonderfully fragrant. Creative twists and seasonal adaptations. The Alaskan honey buckle cake is a classic, but that does not mean you cannot put your own spin on it. Adapting the recipe allows you to explore new flavors and cater to various preferences. This keeps the dessert fresh and exciting for any occasion. Here are some ideas for creative twists and adaptations. Spice it up. Add different spices to the streusel for an extra layer of warmth. Nutmeg offers a classic, slightly sweet warmth. Cardamom provides a more exotic, almost floral note. Allspice brings a hint of clove and cinnamon. Nutty additions. Fold chopped nuts into the streusel topping before baking. Pecans, walnuts, or almonds add a wonderful crunch and a rich, earthy flavor that complements the berries. Seasonal fruit swaps. While berries are traditional, other fruits make delicious non-traditional variations. Peaches. Diced fresh peaches, or canned, well-drained peaches, are fantastic in the summer. Apples. Thinly sliced apples, perhaps mixed with a pinch of cinnamon, create a comforting fall dessert. Rhubarb. For a tangier option, try chopped rhubarb, which pairs well with the sweet cake. Gluten-free version. Easily adapt this cake for gluten sensitivities. Swap out the all-purpose flour for a 1-to-1 gluten-free baking flour blend. Ensure it contains xanthan gum in both the cake batter and the streusel. The texture will be very similar. Dairy-free option. Make this cake dairy-free without sacrificing flavor. Use a plant-based butter substitute, like a vegan butter stick, in place of regular butter. Substitute cow's milk with a dairy-free milk alternative such as almond milk, soy milk, or oat milk. Be sure to check that your gluten-free flour blend is also dairy-free if that is a concern. These variations allow you to customize your honey buckle cake. Enjoy experimenting and making this versatile dessert your own. The Alaskan honey buckle cake truly captures the heart of old-fashioned baking. It is a comforting dessert filled with the simple goodness of berries and cream. Making this cake connects you to a cherished Alaskan tradition. Each slice offers a taste of history and homemade warmth. We hope this guide encourages you to bake your own version. Share this delightful treat with loved ones and create new memories. Enjoy the process of baking and the joy of sharing this wonderful cake in this video. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.